In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Microsoft Teams for a seamless communication experience. Whether you're working remotely or collaborating with your office team, this integration can help streamline your meetings, making everything accessible from one place. Let's dive right in with opening Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate your way to the Apps section. This section is your gateway to various add-ons that can enhance your Teams experience, including the Zoom app. Just make sure you're on the main screen of Teams and look for the Apps option, which you should find on the lower left corner of the interface. Clicking on it will take you to a page where numerous apps are readily available for you to install. Now, while you're in the Apps section, there's a convenient search bar. In this search bar, enter Zoom. The results should display the Zoom app prominently. Once you see the Zoom app in the search results, you'll want to click on Add to begin the installation process. Doing this adds Zoom to your team's workspace, allowing these two powerful tools to work in conjunction. The next step in our journey involves signing in to your Zoom account. This step is crucial for ensuring that you can use all the features Zoom offers without having to switch back and forth between different applications. When you click on the Zoom app within Teams after installing it, you'll be prompted to enter your Zoom credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely sign in. And with that, you now have Zoom integrated and ready to go within your Microsoft Teams environment. One of the major perks of having Zoom integrated with Teams is the ability to schedule or start Zoom meetings directly from Teams itself. No more having to juggle multiple applications or worry about the hassle of switching contexts during your workday. In the Teams interface, you'll be able to easily access the Zoom app. From here, navigate through its options to either schedule a meeting in advance or start one instantly. It's all about making your work meetings as efficient and stress-free as possible. Lastly, let's talk about using Zoom controls inside the Teams interface. The beauty of this integration lies not just in its convenience, but also in its streamlined functionality. You'll find that once you're in a Zoom meeting, familiar controls like mute, screen sharing, and participant management are all accessible directly within Teams. This seamless control right inside your favorite collaboration tool ensures that you can focus entirely on your discussion rather than on technical distractions. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've integrated Zoom with Microsoft Teams. Embrace this powerful combination to elevate your collaboration game, making every meeting productive and effortless. Thanks for watching and happy meeting!